It was a beautiful sunny day and Joe and Tom were looking out of the window. When the family left, they went into the garden.
Let's go take a look.
Joe tried to pull the shed open, and he did.
Come on, Joe, you can do it, you can do it!
Tom, are you sure this is a good idea? Because, look at the shed, it's a bit boring.
Nah, it's not boring at all. Watch out that he don't!
Ouch!
I warned you that you should not bump your head against the shelf. No, now I'm full of paint. Oh, you think it's funny? But dog, I'll teach you a lesson. Just wait until your head is full of you know what.
No! Huh? You can laugh, Cat, but I will get you back. Oh, take that!
Hee-haw! Got you!
Got you!
This is going to be so funny.
No! It looks like lipstick!
Uh-oh, the family will be here soon.
Uh-oh, then we must clean up our mess quick! Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Faster, faster, we haven't got much time.
What a lovely bath, huh? What's wrong, Cat? Why are you moaning at the bath?
You know how cats hate water, and I don't like water.
You would much rather not be in trouble. What mischief have you been doing now, huh?
Husband, look at them, they're so shiny and clean. They had a nice bath, and look, they did not make a mess at all.
Phew! The shed is clean, but my paint pots are all empty. How could that happen, huh? The dog and the cat wasn't in here, were they? No, it's too clean.